Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back because in today's newspaper of Thursday, because it's actually Thursday, February the 4th, there are no extra Sudokus. No extra Sudokus. So the only solution is to continue with yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. Today is here. Today is actually Thursday, February the 4th, 2021. No Sudokus in that newspaper, so I will continue with the last four Sudokus I have left on Wednesday. 1 star, 2 stars I will solve, the 1 and the 2 stars. Look, the 3 stars I already solved, and the 4 stars also. Tectonic. So I will continue with Tectonic with 1 star. This one I've already done, and I will continue with the binary. So 4 Sudokus of yesterday's newspaper, and the first one I will solve will be a 1 star Sudoku, and this will be number 2273. Yes, 2273, and the printed digits. Yes, this one has 27 printed digits. I've already counted. The 2 stars has 26. All right, this one has 26. All right, so let's get started. Three missing numbers in the second row. Those numbers are: the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in these two boxes. We see here, there 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 8. Alright, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, let me mark those two boxes because it's a pair in this big square. And then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for a 6 should be there. And then let me scan the puzzle. 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in those two boxes. The 3 and the 4 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark those boxes, 3 and a 4. That means the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. How about these 3 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers here are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 169, 169, 169. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. We see here 6 and the 5 in this row. So no 6 and the 5 in those two boxes. The 6 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two numbers in this big square are left for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7 are missing. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and a 6 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Alright. And now 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so no row between the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. And now, let me see. 9 in this column. Row. First row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. Alright. Then. How about these two numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Sudoku with 1 star. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku with 2 stars. Yes, see you later. Bye-bye for now.